This is the peacock, and let's watch till the end to see how the peacock grows beautifully. Every peacock begins life quietly inside a fragile egg. After about a month, a tiny peacock hatches into the world. As it grows, the young peacock slowly develops strength and color. At this stage, peacock is on his 7 to 8 months, and something incredible begins. Watch closely. The peacock opens its tail, revealing a stunning display of color. Each feather moves like a masterpiece painted by nature. From a simple egg to breathtaking beauty, what an incredible life transformation. Subscribe for more animal life cycle.